Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to add more RAM to your Minecraft. Make sure to watch the video to the end, not to miss any important details, like and subscribe. So you can go ahead and go click on installations, and then you can select any of the installations that you already have, for example the latest release. Going to click on edit. Once you click on edit, you can see it right here, and then you can click on more options. Now there are a bunch of information right here, so we're going to just edit it. At the start, you can see 2G to 4G, which is basically saying the amount of gigabytes, the minimum and the maximum amount that we could use. So for here, if I want to increase it from 2 gigabytes to 4 gigabytes, we can increase it to be from 4 gigabytes to right here 8 gigabytes. So it's going to use a maximum of 8 gigabytes of memory and a minimum of 4 rather than a minimum of 2 and a maximum of 4 like before. And so once you do that, just click on save, and then you can just play the game, and there you go, you have just successfully added more RAM. Thank you guys for watching, see you next time, bye bye.